Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to take your Android home screen to the next level, today's video is for you. We're diving into some of the best KWGT widget apps that can help you create stunning and personalized widgets for your device. With these tools, you can customize your home screen to reflect your style while keeping essential information at your fingertips. Let's get started. HomeDash KWGT. HomeDash KWGT is a highly customizable widget maker that allows users to create unique and functional widgets for their Android home screens. This app offers a wide range of pre-designed templates that users can easily modify to suit their preferences. With options for adjusting colors, sizes, and layouts, users can personalize their widgets to reflect their style and needs. HomeDash includes features like weather updates, clock widgets, and app shortcuts, making it easy to create a personalized dashboard for accessing essential information at a glance. Its user-friendly interface makes it accessible, even for those who are new to widget customization. Pastel UI KWGT. Pastel UI KWGT is focused on providing widgets with a minimalist and aesthetic design, perfect for users who appreciate a clean and stylish home screen. The app comes with a variety of pre-made widgets that feature soft pastel colors and elegant layouts. Users can customize these widgets to include key information like time, date, battery life, and weather details. The emphasis on simplicity and beauty allows for an attractive home screen setup. Pastel UI KWGT also gives users the flexibility to modify text and colors, enabling further personalization while maintaining the app's minimalist aesthetic. Iconic KWGT. Iconic KWGT is known for its modern and stylish widget designs that cater to users who want a chic and functional home screen. This app offers a selection of visually appealing widgets featuring bold colors, unique shapes, and intuitive layouts. Users can easily customize these widgets to display a range of information, including notifications, music control, and calendar events. Iconic KWGT puts a strong emphasis on creativity and functionality, allowing users to express their personality through their home screen design. With its rich selection of widgets and customization options, it is perfect for those looking to create a striking visual experience on their devices. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of the best KWGT widget apps inspires you to enhance your Android home screen with unique and stylish designs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more app recommendations and tips. Which widget app are you most excited to try out? Let us know in the comments below.